Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will be discussing about construction of polygons by angle method. First of all we will discuss what is polygon. Any geometric figures with more than two sides. Number of sides should be greater than 2, first condition, and it should enclose an area. Then such a geometric figure is known as polygon. For example, we have a triangle. So number of sides are 3 and it is enclosing this area. So this is a polygon with sides 3. On the other hand, if we have a geometric figure like this, then it does not enclose an area. So although it has sides greater than 2, but still it is not a polygon. So a polygon is a geometric figure which encloses an area and have sides greater than 2. So a polygon with sides equal to any number of sides equal to 3 is known as triangle. With sides equal to 4, rectangle. Sides equal to 5, pentagon. And sides equal to 6, hexagon. And so on more, we can name them accordingly on the basis of number of sides. So then comes the concept of regular polygon. What is regular polygon? Regular polygon By regular polygon we mean that all the sides are equal. When all the sides are equal, the angles will also be equal. A polygon in which all the sides are equal is known as regular polygon. For example, if we have a triangle with all sides equal, then all the angles will be equal, and such a triangle is known as equilateral triangle. In case of polygon with 4 sides, such a regular polygon is known as square. And similarly we have regular pentagon and regular hexagon. Now each angle of regular polygon can be estimated by the formula n-2 into 180 degree upon n, where n is the number of sides. So in this way we can find each angle of regular polygon. Since all the angles will be equal, so the number of sides, depending upon number of sides, we can find angle of regular polygons such as triangle, square, pentagon and hexagon. Suppose we have a triangle. Then n will be equal to 3 and each angle can be estimated as 3 minus 2 into 180 degree by 3, that is equal to 60 degree. In this way we can estimate for all regular polygon what will be the measurement of each angle. So for equilateral triangle we have found that it is 60 degree. Similarly, if we want to find it for a suppose regular hexagon, then it will n will be, for hexagon n is number of sides are 6. So we can find the angle as 6 minus 3 into 180 degree upon 6. 6 minus 2, that is n minus 2. So it will be 4 into 180 degree by 6. So each angle will be equal to 120 degree. Now we will discuss how we can construct a regular polygon by angle method. Using the angles we have found, how we can construct. Suppose we are considering a triangle, that is equilateral triangle. We are given the side, let's suppose it is of about 3 mm. 3 mm side triangle is there. We will draw the base. Let us say this point is A and this is B. Then using the drafter or protractor, draw an angle of 60 degree from end A this is the point. Draw a line in this way. After this, take a compass and draw an angle of mark an arc equal to side AB. Take an arc equal to side AB and mark an arc on this line which is at 60 degree angle. Now join this point with the other side. Join this point with the other side in this way, and you can construct an equilateral triangle. This point will be C. In this way you can construct an equilateral triangle using this angle method. Similarly, if you want to draw a square, we are given a side. Draw the base of the given measurement, name it as AB, and now take an angle of 90 degree from each end. Take an angle of 90 degree from end A and end B. Mark an angle of 90 degree. After this, take an arc equal to AB. Take an arc equal to AB. And mark the arcs on both the sides. Extend these lines from end A and end B. In this way, and now this point is end C and this point is end D. Join these two lines to get the square. In this way you can draw a square using the angle method. Thank you for watching our video. This is A, B, C and D. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.